Hello everybody and welcome to my video today, you guys. We are launching May's Crafty Card Kits to Go, and this month we're making all cards because we are coloring, which is always a lot of fun. So let's dive in. I want to show you guys the projects that we're going to make and then what we're going to be using to color and what stamp sets you guys have the option to get. So let's take a look at the cards first. So this month we are using Bird Banter, and then we're also using Flying Home, which are both really cute stamp sets. So here is the first card right here. We are also using the Tutti Frutti designer paper, which is retiring. Here is the second card. Both of these cards Wendy made. And we each used both of the stamp sets. So a lot of times I'll use one stamp set, she'll use another. This month we mixed it up and we both used both sets. And then these are the cards that I made. So we have this one right here. And for this card I used colored pencils. For this card, Wendy used colored pencils, and stay tuned, we have a really special offer for colored pencils this month. And then we also used the Stampin' Up! Alcohol markers, the blends. So this was done with the colored pencils. We have this guy, and then we have this one, and this one was done with the blends. This is our Standy Crafty Card Kit to Go. So for $20, you can get the exclusive videos. You get a video from Wendy putting together her cards, and you get a video from myself putting together my cards. You can get that for $20. That's the first option. The second option is you can just get the Crafty Card Kits to Go. So you will get 8 kits, and you will make 2 each of each card, and that is $25 to get the exclusive videos, 2 videos, one from Wendy, one from myself, and then you get all the supplies to make 2 each of these cards. The third option, which is really fun, is $32, and you get all of the crafty supplies to make your card kit, so you'll make 8 cards. You get both of the exclusive videos, and then you get to choose a stamp set. So you can either get the Bird Banter or you can get Flying Home. So that's a great value. For just $7 more, you get an entire stamp set. These both are retiring, so they're going to go away forever. So this is a great time to pick them up, and then you will have the projects to create. So you just pick one or the other stamp set. The Bird Banter is in photopolymer, and then the Flying Home is in the clear mount. We have a really special offer this month. We have an add-on, and you can add on for $16, meaning you don't pay shipping on these and you don't pay tax on them. And for $16, you can get the watercolor pencils, and you could color all of your projects with the watercolor pencils if you did not have the alcohol markers. So the alcohol markers, I'm using several different colors, but if you don't have these watercolor pencils are a great option. So we have these 10 colors right here, and they are $16. So right on my website, there's going to be 3 different options, and you can choose your option. If you choose the third option and you want the pencils, it indicates right in that. You just click right on there, and it'll give you the option to choose that. So these are great watercolor pencils. There's great colors: Melon Mambo, Basic Gray, Rich Razzleberry, Bermuda Bay. So you get a total of, I believe it is, here's all the different colors. So you get 13 different colors for these pencils, which are fabulous, you guys. And then in my video, I just used the Wink Stella clear glitter brush to move my color around and blend everything. You could use a blender pen or an aqua painter, but this is a great option. So this is our Crafty Card Kit to Go, you guys. Remember, option 1 is just for the videos. That's $20. Option 2 is you just get the card kits and the exclusive videos, and you can put those together. Option 3, you can choose a stamp set for $32, which is a great price. And then we have the special add-on where you can add these watercolor pencils and you don't pay shipping or tax. on any of this. So whenever you get our kits, you don't pay shipping on the stamp set, you don't pay tax. All details are over on my website or in the YouTube description below, and I also sent out an email. You guys, if you're not signed up to get my emails, there's a link below for that as well. I hope you guys are having a fabulous Wednesday, and I will talk to you guys on Friday when I will be back to share another crafty project with you guys. Hope you have a wonderful day. For hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.